Welcome to the Mechanical Prototyping Skill Development Program. If you are an undergraduate student aspiring to jumpstart your career in product design, engineering or manufacturing, you are in the right place. This program is designed to help you gain expertise in the critical phase of mechanical prototyping, the art of turning ideas into tangible, testable prototypes. So, what is this module all about? Simply put, mechanical prototyping is where design concepts are transferred into physical models. Whether you are developing gears, housings, or functional prototypes for complex systems. This is the first step in testing and validating your ideas. In this module, we will start by exploring material selection. You will learn how to choose the right materials based on factors like strength, weight, durability, and cost. Essential knowledge when creating prototypes that need to stand up to real-world conditions.
You will also dive into the world of manufacturing processes, exploring techniques like CNC milling, laser cutting, 3D printing, and vacuum casting. Each of these processes is vital for building accurate prototypes that reflect final product.
Finally, we will walk you through prototyping and testing. The key to refining your designs, you will learn how to build prototypes, test them for performance, and improve upon them using iterative feedback. After all, prototypes are not just about making something look good, they need to work perfectly in real-world conditions. This module is about giving the practical skills and real-world experience you need to create prototypes that work, perform, and meet the standards of today's competitive product design industry. By the end, you will have the hands-on skills needed to jump into the world of mechanical prototyping. Now that you know what the mechanical prototyping module covers, let's dive into how these skills play a crucial role in product design. Every great product design begins with a concept, but it's prototyping that turns that concept into a reality. It is the foundation of the entire design process. Prototyping is not just about visualizing your ideas. It's about testing them, refining them, and ensuring they can stand up to the real-world challenges they are designed for. Whether you are designing a consumer gadget, or automotive part, or a medical device, a prototype allows you to evaluate the feasibility of your design before you go to mass production. Why is prototyping so important? It is simple. Without it, you are guessing. Prototypes allow you to validate your ideas through real testing. They help you identify potential design flaws, check for fit and function, and ultimately save your time and money in the long run. Through iteration, you can refine your product design, making sure that it is not only functional but also manufacturable. And with the right prototyping skills, you will be able to rapidly create and test different versions of your design, quickly moving from concept to reality. Prototyping is critical across a variety of industries. In automotive, aerospace, and consumer electronics, prototypes are tested rigorously for performance, durability, and safety. This is where your prototyping skills come in, allowing you to create models that meet those standards. Prototyping also fosters innovation. It gives you the freedom to test out ideas that may be unconventional or highly complex. When you can rapidly prototype and test different approaches, you unlock creative solutions that can set your product apart. By mastering prototyping, you are not just making models, you are becoming a problem solver, critical thinker, and an innovator. You will be able to contribute meaningfully to the product development process from day one.
Let us understand why mechanical prototyping is considered a valuable skill. As a student, you will undergo experiential learning and gain skills that will set you apart in today's competitive world in product design. Mechanical prototyping is more than just technical know-how. It's a hands-on skill that requires you to engage with advanced tools and technologies such as CNC machines, 3D printers, and CAD software. You will develop the ability to create real-world models and solve engineering challenges as they arise. In industries like automotive, consumer electronics, aerospace, and medical domains, the prototyping skills are in high demand. Employers need professionals who can turn ideas into functional prototypes, test them, and refine them. By gaining these skills, you will be ready for a career in product design, engineering, and startups.
Not only does prototyping allow you to innovate and solve problems, but it also opens up career opportunities across a wide range of fields. As a skilled prototype designer, you will be in a prime position to enter industries where product development is a key. Think about the advantage you will have when applying for internship or entry-level positions. Employers are looking for candidates who are not only understand the theory but also possess the practical hands-on experience needed to contribute immediately. A strong prototyping skill set gives you that edge. Prototyping also enhances your portfolio. You will have tangible examples of your work, showing potential employers your problem-solving abilities and technical expertise. Whether you are building a product prototype or working on a design concept, you will have a real-world experience to back it up. Mechanical prototyping is a skill that not only enhances your design thinking but also accelerates your career journey. By mastering this skill, you are opening doors for exciting job opportunities in product design, engineering, and more.
Ready to take your career to the next level? Join the mechanical prototyping module and have experiential learning and build the skills that employers are looking for today.